1:55 p.m. I'm being lazy, I'm sitting down, so you won't be seeing a whole lot, and you might be seeing puffs of smoke. Yeah, I'm out here smoking a cigarette. But yeah, this is what we have currently. I'm in the process of trying a little experiment as well. Because I have these Baltimore Orioles coming up. Um, Most generally, I have oranges of some nature on hand for them because I do know they like oranges. But I thought, well, how about a little bit of coconut milk? Hmm. See what that might draw in. Of course, sitting underneath this thing, it might curdle or ferment maybe. Might have some drunk birds out here. Alright, so we're going to keep this one short. Yeah, we'll see you back here once again on this flip side.